Welcome to Book Jobs Daily, the show where local business owners find the money hiding in missed calls, slow follow-up, weak reviews, and messy systems. I'm Star Riley, and each day we break down one local revenue leak, one simple AI-powered fix, and one action you can use to book more jobs. Today, we are fixing one leak that could be costing you real money.
Welcome to Booked Jobs Daily. I'm Star Riley, founder of MyUSALocal.com, and this is episode 74 for 2026-05-15. This is your daily show for local business growth, practical AI, and revenue systems that help turn missed leads into booked jobs. Every day, we look at one problem costing local businesses money. Then we break down the simple system that can help fix it. Today's revenue leak is weak reviews and how to turn them into repeat jobs and referrals with a simple review repair loop. By the end of this episode, you will know what is happening, why it matters, and one step you can take to protect your leads, improve your follow-up, and book more jobs. Let's get into it.
Hook. Imagine fixing 1 week review, and that single repair pays for a month of ads and brings 2 new referral jobs on top of the original work. That's not hypothetical. It's what happened to a flooring contractor I worked with last month. If you treat weak reviews like wounds that can be bandaged quickly, they stop leaking money and start making you money.
Section 1, the problem. Why weak reviews silently cost jobs. Most customers glance at your star rating and a few recent comments before they call. A 3-star or a 1-line complaint doesn't just hurt pride. It reduces trust, lowers your placement in local search results, and gives potential customers a reason to call the next business. Worse, every weak review is a lost opportunity to learn and to recover a customer. Left alone, a small issue becomes a public signal. You don't fix problems quickly. That pushes prospects away before your great work even gets a chance to be seen.
So what do owners usually do? They either ignore it, respond defensively, or try to buy 5-star reviews. None of those work long-term. The right approach is a measured, repeatable process that rescues the high-impact complaints and turns repaired experiences into updated, positive reviews.
Section 2, the story and the system overview. Quick story. A flooring contractor named Miguel got a terse 2-star review after a stain issue. He could have argued or offered a refund, but instead he used a 4-step review repair loop. Audit, quick fix offer, follow-up, re-ask, and amplify. Over 3 weeks, he repaired the job, did a small steam clean at low cost, followed up twice, and politely asked for an updated review. The customer updated the review to 5 stars, booked a second room, and referred a neighbor. Total time invested, about an hour across 2 weeks. Revenue recovered and new work paid for the goodwill and more.
Here's the promise. The review repair loop is 4 steps you can run in 10 minutes a day or 1 focused hour a week. It works because it prioritizes the highest impact issues and uses empathy, a no-nonsense quick fix, and clear timing to convert unhappy customers into advocates. Step 1. Audit. Triage your reviews by impact, age, and fixability. Create a 1-sheet backlog with 3 columns. High impact, recent 3 stars or lower from paying customers. Easy fix can be solved with a call or small goodwill gesture. And time sink, legal or long-term disputes. Score each review, 1 to 5 for lost revenue impact. Focus on top 3 high-impact, easy fix items each week. This keeps the work small but high ROI.
Step 2, the quick fix offer. Use a short, non-defensive outreach script. Text or call. Start with empathy and clarity. Script example. Hi Sarah, I'm Miguel from Top Flooring. I'm really sorry to see your experience wasn't great. I want to fix this. Could I come by for a quick, no-cost steam clean or touch-up this week? If you're open to it, I'll follow up after to ensure everything's perfect. That message does 3 things. Acknowledges, offers a specific small fix, and sets expectation for follow-up. Don't promise refunds or ask for reviews yet. Be genuine, concise, and proportionate.
Step 3. Follow-up and reconciliation. When you show up, validate the problem again. Don't minimize it. Document what you do with a short before and after photo and a dated note. If the fix didn't fully resolve it, offer a next step and a timeline. Follow up at 48 hours and again at 7 days with the customer. Checking in. Did the steam clean do the trick? Anything else I can handle? This keeps the customer feeling heard and gives you documented wins to reference when you re-ask for feedback.
Step 4. Re-ask and amplify. Once the customer confirms the issue is resolved, ask for an updated review in a way that's not transactional. Example, I'm so glad this is sorted. If you're happy with how it looks now, would you consider updating your review so others know we make it right? A sentence or two would help a lot. Don't offer discounts for reviews. That can violate platform rules. Instead, make it easy. Send a direct link and a short suggested wording they can edit. After they update, amplify the win. Add the before-after photos to your website or Google Business profile, and when appropriate, ask for a short referral. If any neighbors mention flooring, feel free to pass along my number.
Practical templates you can use right now. Outreach text. Hi name, I'm your name. I saw your review and I'm sorry. Could I stop by for a quick fix this week at no cost? Follow-up call. I wanted to confirm the fix helped and see if there's anything else. Re-ask. If you're satisfied, would you consider updating the review? I'll send the link. Keep all messages under 40 words when texting. Short messages get answers.
Addressing risks. Some customers may escalate when contacted. Mitigate that by being non-defensive, offering to make it right, and documenting everything. Also, don't try to fix every review at once. Limit your weekly repairs to the top 3 items on your backlog so the work stays manageable and you can measure ROI.
Section 3. Takeaways, timeline, and action. Quick recap, audit, quick fix offer, follow-up, re-ask, and amplify. Expected time investment, 10 minutes a day or 1 hour a week to triage and act on the top 3 items. ROI math, recover 1 lost job or turn 1 complaint into a referral and you've paid for the hour and then some. The process scales. As you document wins, your review stream cleans up and your future leads see a business that fixes problems quickly.
Action. A 7-day challenge. This week, pick 2 weak or negative reviews. Day 1, add them to your one-sheet backlog and score them. Day 2, send the quick fix outreach. Day 3 or 4, perform the fix. Day 5, follow up. Day 7, re-ask for an updated review and add the results to your marketing, before-after photos, and a short case note. If you want the exact scripts, checklist, and one-sheet template, I've got a free download for you. Get the scripts, checklist, and the one-sheet backlog template delivered to your inbox. Join the Booked Jobs Daily email list, and I'll send the Review Repair Pack, step-by-step scripts, the scoring sheet, and a sample text message you can copy and paste. Sign up at the link in the show notes or visit myusalocal.com/review-repair to grab the pack and start your 7-day challenge today. Before you go, ask yourself one question. How many leads has your business missed this week? Missed calls, unanswered messages, old estimates, customers who never got a follow-up? That is hidden revenue. And that is exactly what we help you find. Book your AI opportunity audit today. We will uncover the leaks, show you the systems, and help you turn missed opportunities into booked jobs. I'm Star Riley. Thanks for listening to Booked Jobs Daily.